Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss on stocks. So all these important stocks. IB is 12 and index is also downtrend. Okay, now we'll start with Reliance price action. So we'll do a deep dive. So we'll try to take November, October and September month. So I'll go to 2 hour time frame so that we can get a very clear view. So this is basically Reliance chart where you could see September and October it was complete sideways, and October last week we see a breakout and the breakout is sustaining here. Now we'll check for HDFC Bank. So same pattern. October and November the resistance and support was October and September the resistance was pretty good, and then November month it's in the retracement phase. ICICI is exactly opposite, so it has already came down. So yep, it has already broken the support of the October and September. So when you just go back, I don't find the valid. Okay, so here is the point, which is like April month. Yep, April month support. So let's wait if it reflects, and it should go up. So yeah, let's check. Okay, now we'll move on to the open interest part, and then we'll try to analyze what is happening with the OI. So first we will check is Reliance. So this is Reliance, so we'll take both the parts, that is open interest here. So you could clearly see here max pain, yep, max pain, lot size, PCR and PCR overall, IV and the stocks details here. And this you could see is the price action, or basically price, and this is the OI. Okay, so now you could see here this is standing a strong resistance because blue is resistance and red is support. Okay, and the second straddle point is here, so straddle, and here also resistance is there. At every 100 counts market is being having the equal build up. Okay, now we'll go and check for change also. So today especially what happened is you could clearly see 1500 is playing a very major straddle point for Reliance. Okay, now I'll move on and search for HDFC. So this is HDFC basically, and you check for HDFC, same 1000 is being the straddle point as well as the strangle point resistance as well. Support is at 50 and the next resistance is at 20. Okay, equal buildup is at 90. This is overall. When you check for today, only resistance has been built up as the straddle is at 90 and 80. Okay, now we'll go and check for ICICI Bank. So this is ICICI Bank and this is overall. Clearly resistance is more, which is also reflected in the price action. Straddle point is at 50 as well as 40. Okay, when you check for today's change in the open interest, you could clearly see a lot of resistance has been building up, where 20 and 30 is being the straddle and strangle points. Okay, now we'll do a small case study. So we will have the price action chart so that we'll get the straddle as well as the OTM open interest. Okay, so here is the chart. We'll begin with Reliance and we'll keep 1 hour time frame. Okay, so we are here. Today is 6th, and then you could see the chart. Okay, first half trending, second half not so trending. We'll start with Reliance, and then when you check OTM, it's 48 and 22. So very good build up in the resistance side, and that's actually reflecting because it is an inside candle. So first candle, all the rest of the candle is an inside candle. When you check for open is 80. So we'll check the straddle points for 80. and then you could clearly see it is a loss making day for sellers, since the first two candles of our stuff is being very trendy. Now we'll go and check for HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank, and let's take the price action. So this is performance of HDFC Bank for today. So you could see first half was trending, second half is being sideways. 18 versus 7, so resistance is clearly more. And when you check for open is 80. So I'll take 80. Every 5 step counts. HDFC has the strike price listed, so 1912 to 2010. So clearly this is also a loss making day. The last one is ICICI Bank, which is clearly having its downtrend started, supporting at it is major support, that is April month support. Okay, so we have to wait and watch. So this is ICICI. Basically OTM is 53 and 11, so clearly resistance is more. First half trending, second half sideways. 30 is the open. When you check for straddle, so this is a positive straddle despite moving so much. So yeah, sometimes the decay works against also.